Imagine you just won a big online contest and the prize is a Paysafe card. You're excited, but then you start wondering, can I actually use this card to withdraw cash from my bank account? Today, we're going to answer that question and explore the different ways you can use your Paysafe card. Paysafe is a digital payment method that allows you to make online transactions securely. It's like a digital gift card, but with more flexibility. So, can you directly transfer the funds from your Paysafe card to your bank account? Answering the main question. Unfortunately, the short answer is no. You cannot directly transfer funds from your Paysafe card to your bank account. Paysafe is designed to be used for online purchases, not as a traditional bank account. Alternative methods. But don't worry, there are still ways to access the value on your Paysafe card. Here are a few options. Online shopping. The most straightforward way to use your Paysafe card is to make online purchases. You can use it on countless websites that accept Paysafe as a payment method. Think of it as a digital wallet that you can use to buy anything from clothes and electronics to games and subscriptions. Gift cards. Many online retailers allow you to purchase gift cards using Paysafe. This can be a great option if you want to shop at a specific store but don't have a physical gift card. For example, you could use your Paysafe card to buy a gift card for Amazon, Netflix, or your favorite gaming platform. Cashback services. Some cashback services allow you to convert your Paysafe balance into cash. These services typically charge a fee, but they can be a convenient option if you need physical money. Just be sure to research different services to find the best rates and terms. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when using your Paysafe card. Check expiration date. Paysafe cards have expiration dates, so make sure to use them before they expire. PIN protection. Protect your Paysafe card with a PIN to prevent unauthorized use. Lost or stolen cards. If your Paysafe card is lost or stolen, contact Paysafe immediately to report it. So, while you can't directly transfer Paysafe funds to your bank account, there are plenty of other ways to use your card. Whether you're shopping online, buying gift cards, or using cashback services, Paysafe offers a convenient and secure way to make payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.